In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to parse URL parameters using Tableau. Parsing URL parameters is a valuable skill, especially when you need to extract specific elements and gain insights from them in your data analysis. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open the Tableau public app. This is a powerful and accessible tool for data visualization, and fortunately, the process we're about to cover fits right in with its features. Once you have the app open, head to the worksheet where you want to work with your data. Now, make sure you've prepared your data source ahead of time. Specifically, you need to ensure there's a field in your data that contains the full URL you're looking to parse. This is crucial because it'll be the basis of all the parsing we do today. With your worksheet open and data loaded, the next step is to drag the field containing the URL to the rows section of your Tableau worksheet. Doing this structures your table for further analysis, preparing it for the next steps. After you have your URL in place, the next thing is to get some numerical data into the mix. Drag a metric, in this case, the number of views, into the text section of the worksheet. This allows us to associate the URL with quantitative data, making it easier to assess its impact or significance later on. Now, we begin the core of parsing. You'll want to click on the Analysis menu, looking for the option that says Create Calculated Field. This is where we start breaking down the URL into more manageable parts. Firstly, name the new calculated field category, and then type in your parsing query before clicking OK. This sets the structure for one dimension of your URL that you want to analyze. After that, you'll repeat this process. Go back to Analysis. Create another calculated field. Name it Media. Type the query needed to parse this segment, and click OK. Repetition here ensures you're breaking down each element of the URL. And remember, careful attention here simplifies your future analysis. You'll need to perform this process once more. Return to Analysis. Create a third calculated field, this time naming it Program. Enter the query corresponding to this part of the URL, and again, click OK. We're almost there. The last step is to bring all these calculated fields into view. Drag your newly created calculated fields, Category, Media, and Program, to the Rows section of your worksheet. By doing this, you're aligning all parsed elements next to your URL, enabling you to see everything in a clean layout. At this point, your data is fully set up for analysis with URL parameters neatly parsed into your calculated fields. And there you have it. You've successfully parsed the URL parameters within Tableau. This method ensures you can derive maximum analytical value from complex URLs by efficiently extracting and categorizing key segments. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing!